Types of wastes. How many types of wastes are there? Based on the nature of waste produced, these may be gaseous, which are released by vehicles and factories. Liquid wastes are generated in our homes and industries. Domestic sewage and chemical discharge given out by factories are liquid wastes. Solid wastes are also produced in our homes, industries, and agricultural fields. Solid wastes generated in our homes is a type of domestic waste and is called garbage. Biodegradable waste. Waste is generally of two types, depending on their source. Biodegradable waste. Waste that will decay or break up by microbes and get mixed with the soil. All types of waste derived from living matter is biodegradable. For example, food waste such as fruit and vegetable peels, meat and bones, leaves, flowers, paper, etc. Non-biodegradable waste. Waste that will not decay by microbes and mix with the soil. For example, plastics, metal, and glass.